cool is this today? Everything's snow covered.
Hey, my YouTube friends. We're up here in Harriman. It is November 20th and it snowed last night. We got about 2-3 inches of snow on the ground. I'm here with my buddy Daniel today. We have no clue what hike we're going to do. We're just going to wander around. But we're going to get some good shots. The snow is awesome. So Don and Daniel, we're over the hill and we're going over those mountains.
No swimming. All right, no swimming today. A tunnel of snow. It's pretty cool up here.
Hey, my fellow hikers. We're up here at Harriman. Got my buddy Daniel here with me. He's 67 over the hill too. So we're just hanging around here. We got a lot of snow up here, probably about 4 inches of snow. And we have no clue where we're going to be hiking. We're just wandering around and making it up as we go. So here's some of our views we got.
Another iron mine up here in Harriman.
Hey, John, back at you. We made it. We did a quick loop. We did about 6 miles today up here in Harriman State Park in the snow. Awesome day. So, between my buddy Daniel here, we got through. So, we're over the hill
and we got over that mountain.
We made it over the mountain.